Hi. Hello. Hi, I'm John Marco. Nanonood kayo ngayon sa una kong vlog. Saan papunta kami ngayon sa Jerusalem? Trip ng Agro Studies.
Area joint between Palestinians and Israelis. To the right and to the left we have the Palestinian Authority.
Two hours later.
So, kadarating lang namin. Ito na kami sa Jerusalem.
Okay, take your pictures and come back to the bus. We'll wait for them to come.
So, katatapos lang namin mag-picture-picture doon sa view deck ng Jerusalem. So, papunta na kami sa mismong wall. So, papunta na kami sa wall. Bye.
Left then above the church with the onions, with the gilded onions, you see a little chapel with black roof. Can you see it?
Yeah.
This is called the Tree of the Lord on the Palms Hill, to the left now, between the cypresses. Okay, now there where the people are on the terrace. Okay, you see many people. This is the Tree of the Lord. Jesus was standing there, and he wept, whined about the destruction of the temple. You can see it very clear now. Both churches, by the way, were designed by the same architect, Antonio Berluzzi. To the left now, the cemetery, Zacharias, the prophet Zacharias' tomb, and Absalom's tomb, and this is the great cemetery of Mount of Olive. To the right side now, turn here to the right, you see the wall. You can see the entrance to the Temple Mount, the triple gate. Can you see it? From the times of Jesus, the triple gate. When you follow the wall and you see there is another wall coming, and on top of it, just below Al-Aqsa Mosque, you can see a little frame. Okay? That frame is just above the people that are standing there on the steps. You can see the original steps from the times of Jesus. And you can see this frame. Can you see the frame now? This is the exit from the temple.
A few moments later.
Southwest corner of the temple. You see? The southwest corner. And if you take up to the breach, all that was destroyed by the soldiers of Titus in the year 70 after Christ. Let's see the ruins. What the soldiers made. They threw all the stones down. See the stones?
Yeah.
That the soldiers threw down, the Roman soldiers threw down the stones, you see? From up there, from the mountain, from the wall. The wall was, someone asked me about the height of the wall. At that point, it was about 22 to 23 meters high.
Yun yung nahulog oh.
We go to the left checkpoint.
Ang babae sa kabila.
See the ruins again from here. Take a picture.
Sorry, sir. So, nandito na kami sa mismong wall. Oo nga. Nakikita nyo, nandyan yung wall. Yan na yung mismong wall. West.
This is the western wall. The western wall is a supporting wall of the temple that was built by Herod the Great in the 20s before Christ. Herod the Great died in the year 4 BC, before Christ. You know, there is a problem when we read the Gospels, because Matthew speaks about Herod the Great. Remember? We were in Nazareth, remember? We were speaking about it. But now, Herod the Great died in the year 4 before Christ. Saint Luke is telling us about a counting of the people of the empire ordered by Emperor Claudius. And that we know in the times of Quirinius, the governor of Syria, that it happened historically in the year 6 Christ era. So we have a gap of 10 years, okay? So we leave it now. Go back to the temple. The temple was standing there where the Dome of the Rock is. It was destroyed by the Romans in the year 70. Is that the Spirit of God moved from the destroyed temple, from the Holy of Holiest, and settled on this rock. So God's Spirit is all the time on this rock. That's why if you write a note and put it inside, you're close to God. Good? Now, if you wear a hat, it's okay. No, you wear the hat. So the church, here we have to respect and we put the hat cover. So all of you who have hats, put the hats in. Others can take a kippah. Okay? Let's go inside. You visit, you put your note, you take your photos, everything. It is now 20 minutes. to 11. Let's say we meet here 5 minutes to 11 next to the bathrooms. Okay? Thank you very much. Let's go.
So ayun no, pupunta na kami sa wall. Susut kami ng tinatawag nilang kipa. Kipa? Papakita ko mamaya-maya lang konti kung ano yung kipa. Ay, bilang pagrespeto sa wall.
Yan oh, yan.
Yan, kipa.
And I bring you directly from the laundry. Okay? Take it. Okay?
Kipa.